Okay, so get the present and give it to your dad. I want to put it on video.
Here, come on. This is for your kids and your grandkids.
Zora, that's nice.
Okay, hand it to me nicely.
Zora, tell him how you found it. Where did you get it?
I got it from Grandpa's market. He said I could have one, whichever I wanted, at his house.
From Grandpa's market?
Yeah.
Oh, interesting. Can you imagine what that is?
You gotta open it. It's in a box.
Oh, wow. You wanna help me with that, Daisy? I'm gonna pull on it. Pull on it. Good girl.
You gotta open it. It's really special.
Oh, what does that say? Daisy, hey, stop eating that.
No!
Is there another level of packaging under here? Oh, cool, it's a box. Wow.
You can put anything you wanted.
Do you recognize the craftsmanship?
Yeah, did you make this?
No, my grandpa did.
Oh, I thought that was too good for you. Oh, thank you. Did you pick that one out with me in mind?
With me and Grandpa. Now what are you gonna do with me?
I'm gonna put you in my little box.
No, I'm too big.
You'll be surprised what I can fit in there.
Okay.
Okay, your turn again. Look